Choosing the right arranger keyboard can feel overwhelming, especially when you want to enhance your musical creativity without breaking the bank. Here are the 5 best options I've found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Rock Jam 61-key keyboard. The Rock Jam 61-key compact keyboard piano caught my eye right away, especially considering it's priced at just $69.99. If you want an affordable way to jump into music, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 61 keys, it has 200 sounds and 200 rhythms, plus 10 demo songs. That means you can explore a wide range of musical styles without feeling limited. The built-in speaker is decent for practicing, and the headphone jack is perfect for when you want to play without disturbing anyone. Plus, it connects to the Simply Piano app, which is a huge bonus for beginners wanting structured lessons. Honestly, I was surprised by how much value Rock Jam packed into this keyboard. Now, some people complained about the sound quality being somewhat basic. Here's the thing though, at this price point, it's not a deal breaker. If you're looking for professional studio quality sound, this isn't it. But for casual playing, it gets the job done. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or looking for a portable keyboard for kids. Skip this one if you need advanced features or superior sound quality. At $69.99, it's a great starter option without a huge investment. Now, if the sound quality of the Rock Jam bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach, the Alesis Melody 32.
Product number 2, Alesis Melody 32. The Alesis Melody 32 is another budget-friendly option, priced at just $59. What really caught my attention is its compact design and impressive features for beginners, making it worth a serious look. This keyboard features 32 mini piano-style keys, which are great for portability. It's packed with 300 sounds and 300 rhythms, so you can explore a wide range of music from the get-go. One standout feature is the built-in speakers that deliver surprisingly good sound, filling a room easily. The inclusion of a recording feature means you can capture your ideas on the fly. And let's not forget the USB/MIDI connectivity. Super handy for connecting to different devices. If you're on the go or just starting out, this is a solid choice. Now, some users mentioned that the keys feel a bit small for adult hands. Here's my take. While they might not be ideal for everyone, they're perfect for kids or anyone looking to practice without the bulk of full-size keys. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or need a portable keyboard that won't take up much space. Skip this one if you're used to larger keys or want a more advanced instrument. At $59, it's a steal for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more features. The Casio Casiotone CT-S200RD. Product number 3. The Casio Casiotone CT-S200RD. The Casio Casiotone CT-S200RD is priced at $169, and I was really impressed by its portability and sound options. If you want a keyboard that grows with you, this is worth a serious look. This 61-key keyboard is designed for all skill levels, and it comes packed with 400 tones and 77 rhythms. That means you can explore pretty much any genre you want. The intuitive controls and LCD display make it easy to navigate between sounds, and the dance music mode is a fun feature for remixing tracks live. One of my favorite features is the ability to connect to the Casio Music Space app, which helps with learning and practice. If you want to take your music anywhere, this lightweight keyboard is a strong contender. Now, some users pointed out that the built-in speakers could be better. Here's the thing though, if you're playing in a noisy environment, you can always use headphones. For most casual settings, the sound is perfectly adequate. This is perfect for you if you want a keyboard that's portable and packed with features. Skip this one if you need professional sound quality for gigs. At $169, it offers a lot for both beginners and more experienced players. Next up is another Casio model, the CT-S200, which is very similar but with some added features. Product number 4. The Casio Casiotone CT-S200. The Casio Casiotone CT-S200 is priced slightly higher at $169.99, but it has a lot of what you love about the CT-S200RD with a few enhancements. If you're looking for a step up without losing portability, this is a great option. Just like the CT-S200RD, this one has 61 full-size keys and offers the same 400 tones and 77 rhythms. What really stands out is the built-in lessons that guide you through songs. This keyboard also has a super lightweight design, making it easy to carry around. The USB MIDI connection is a huge plus for anyone looking to connect to computers or apps for additional learning. Honestly, it genuinely surprised me how much functionality is packed into this little unit. Now, some people mention the controls can be a bit overwhelming for absolute beginners. Here's my perspective. While it might take a minute to figure everything out, once you do, the range of options you have is totally worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner serious about learning. Skip this one if you're looking for something super basic. For $169.99, it's a fantastic value for what you get. Now, if you're looking for something that combines style with superior sound, you'll want to hear about the Casio Casiotone CT-S1.
Product number 5. Casio Casiotone CT-S1. The Casio Casiotone CT-S1 comes in at $259.99, and it's designed to be a sleek, portable option that doesn't skimp on sound quality. If you want something that looks great and performs well, this is worth checking out. This keyboard offers 61 touch-sensitive keys and features the advanced AIX sound source, which delivers a richer tone with 61 high-quality sounds, including classic pianos and synths. The built-in surround sound and bass reflex speakers really enhance your playing experience, giving you that immersive feel. Plus, the Bluetooth connectivity is a modern touch that allows you to integrate with apps for learning and creativity. I didn't expect this level of quality from a portable keyboard. Now, some users found it a bit pricey compared to others on this list. Here's the thing though, if you value sound quality and portability, this might be worth every penny. For serious musicians, this is a great investment. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and high-quality keyboard that accommodates serious playing. Skip this one if you're just starting out and want something more basic. At $259.99, it's a premium option that delivers on its promise.
If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Casio Casiotone CT-S200 because it offers a fantastic balance of portability, features, and value for beginners. As for the one to avoid, I'd steer clear of the Alesis Melody 32 if you need larger keys or advanced features. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.